Welcome to the 8th International IVIRMA Congress. Just like the previous Congress, we want you to participate in one of the company's most outstanding goals, to be sustainable and improve our environmental commitment. To do so, we encourage you to install the web app of the Congress, where you will find all the information relating to the event and thus contribute to fully reducing the use of paper. You can download it by writing app.ivirmacongress2019.com in the browser of your mobile or tablet. For the iOS system, you need to click on the icon and then add to home screen. For Android, at the bottom of the web app, you'll find the dialog box. In an easy and intuitive way, you can see the complete program according to days and sessions, find out the speakers, participate via a voting system in debate, participate in the Solidarity Project votes, access information about the city, consult the sustainability plan, and much more. We are certain that all the information will be of interest to you.